The church is an ever-present witness to come to the aid of the poor. This is exemplified by Caritas Manila with its socio-entrepreneurial project of Margins. More details from Emil Carrion.
The Roman Catholic Church is keeping pace with the modern challenges of the present world. It is in touch with the poor. This is exemplified by the Vatican, its council, and the pastoral ministers, and as guide is the preferential option for the poor.
Walang makakatulong kung di tayo. Kaya napaganda po itong Year of the Poor. We are again giving emphasis to helping the poor. Sabi natin, marginalized. Nung tayo nag-aaral, pag sinabi mong margin, iwasan mo, huwag ka susulat doon. Kaya may margin eh. Eh dito ang simbahan, hindi iniiwasan dahil sila ang magpapayaman sa iyo.
Helping the poor help themselves, no? Na itong mga maliliit nating mga negosyante na walang nagbibigay ng product development, walang nagbibigay ng branding, walang tumutulong sa kanila sa packaging, tutulungan itong ating social brand, no? Margins Incorporated.
In a developing country like the Philippines, the credible voice that calls for unity is the church.
Ito ay project ng Caritas, which means charity or love. Pagmamahal, pagmamalasakit, pagtulong.
Ito na ba yung napapanahong huwag mong bigyan ng isda, turuan mong mangisda? Ito talaga yon, no? Huwag natin bigyan ng isda. Ang nagugutom, turuan nating mangisda. At hindi lang tuturuan, bigyan ng gamit ng pangingisda at bigyan natin ng equal playing field.
There are two major tracks in religion, the human the flesh and the body, and its spiritual nourishment. Reporting for the People's Television, this is Emil Carrion.